Hello everyone, it's Shana again. Today let's take a fresh look at our Y2, our little Chumby. I surely believe it is one of the best models for the family with babies, for hotel projects, also for the regions where the electricity power isn't always very stable. So today I will compare the regular toilets and with our Y2. Most of the smart toilets will use the booster pump to increase the water pressure. You can see it is very powerful, while the accompanying noise is also unavoidable. Just imagine when there is a little baby sleeping nearby when the function happens, or imagine that there is another person is sleeping in the hotel twin room. While our Y2 is a total different story. We use the ceramic water tank and paired with the traditional mechanical flushing system. That means we don't use the booster pump. You can hear that it's very quiet, but also perform very well. Since our Y2 use the traditional function fitting, that means we don't rely on the electricity if there's any power outage. You can just push the button. When the electricity is not reliable. So if you are living in the regions where the power outage is a frequency, you can choose our Y2. Choose our Y2. Our Y2 can offer you the silent function with the reliable performance and the unlimited time function during the water outage. In a word, our Y2 is built for the real life. It is simple, practical, and also reliable. Thank you for watching this time. If you want to check out our smart toilet features, please follow us. See you next time.